Nice. I think we're live. How do I see chat? Here we are. Cool. Okay, hello. If you're joining this live stream, I'm here with Thomas, one of my co-founders, for the only co-founder, I should say, for some AI startups that we're building. I thought I'd just do like a little impromptu stream today. So if you're watching, thanks for joining in. We're just going to keep hacking away at this project that we've been building in Lovable. We kind of figured out like the base feature set. Now we're giving ourselves a challenge of trying to build it within a week and see how far we can get. Thomas and I previously launched a startup called Renamify that got top 10 on Product Hunt. So although we weren't able to get the kind of success we were hoping for with that project, it taught us a lot. So we're kind of putting those learnings now into this new project as well. Cool, that's out of the way. I'm just gonna get moving on this. Cool. Oh, nice. You added the text expand. That's nice.
I've been trying to get, if you look at play and in the task progress, it's just showing processing. I've been trying to implement the fetch request to actually show each one of those steps in more detail, along with hyperlinks, and then CAPTCHA, if there's like a CAPTCHA that needs to be solved or some sort of roadblock. It should like bring the user into the interface so they can fill it out.
Nice.
But
okay.
No luck yet. And then there's still some little things like closing the task progress thing doesn't work.
Cool. So just I'm going to create an agent and see how that works.
Yeah, and it seems to only work about half the time. But I don't have the edge functions link, so I don't know what's going on in the back end that's causing it to stop.
It should be in the code.
You have a readout with the AI API thing that we're using from GPT.
Okay, cool. I see the preview. It's just really small now.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
I don't know. It was never big on mine.
Let's go check this out. So we have some people watching right now. Let us know if you can hear us in chat.
Sweet. What's up?
Oh, well, it works. The live preview. I put it into a table now. It looks a lot better, but it looks like it isn't fetching it for some reason. Why is that? I'm going can see the preview. Oh, whoa! You can even click on the on the agent Chrome browser. That's cool. Okay. Mm-hmm. 14 people viewing right now. Hello, everyone. Let us know if you can see us per message in chat. We're building an AI startup today. Need to get the documentation here for browser use. And what am I looking for here? Cloud API, get task. Okay. So here's the API endpoint, and then this should be the live URL. Oh, you see it in the chat. Okay, I'm gonna stop this agent. Let's do one. Oh, I don't think it sees your plan, Thomas. I'm not too sure. Let's see.
Yeah, I think it's getting to it now.
Nice. Mm-hmm. Really weird. My agent preview isn't working anymore. This is really broken, this project now.
You can also just go ahead and revert back. I don't think I made any significant changes since edit number 46, probably.
Edit 46.
Yeah. Here, let's go. the only thing that it actually succeeded in doing was adding the drop-down thing. So wherever that last edit was,
Yeah, I've just reverted.
50
Let's have a look.
maybe.
Okay, nice. This one's running. If I go to live agents, okay, and if I check Superbase for the actual agent that I'm running right now, let's check if that is running. Which Superbase is this using? I want to go to the SQL editor. And browser tasks. Go to Walmart, output. The live URL is invalid token.
Yeah, live preview isn't working.
What the fuck? Okay, let's sort by. Nobody in the stream can see what I'm doing right now, but I'm in Superbase trying to get this to work. Let's sort descending so I can find today.
Was the live preview working yesterday?
Yeah. And just looking at the agent that I created, I can see the browser link. So I'm trying to figure out why it's not working. Maybe I'll just remind it about the API endpoint.
Maybe we should revert a couple more back as well. You can do that.
Even in the back end there, it's not working. We then get the ID. From there, we should be able to get the task by ID. That response has our live URL to display and save to the DB. Cool. I'm going to use chat mode here because chat mode usually does a little scan of the code base. Just double checks everything based on this flow. So let's see if that works. $32 people watching right now, Thomas. No pressure. Okay, so there was a problem where we were creating the task, but we weren't storing the details of that task, which is why you have to do that janky thing like refreshing in the table to get the live preview. So now it's going to fix that. Cool. Update the task. Cool. handles if I want to stop it. Handles task creation. Cool. Go to Amazon.com and look for a good deal on headphones. Cool. Oh, it's working. Yes.
There it goes. Sweet.
Yes. Okay, so you had to actually specify. I think one of the things that was tripping it up was not specifying the URL to go to, maybe. Or it was that fact that I wasn't getting the task stuff beforehand. But now this is cool. So for those of you who are watching as well, this is an AI agent doing some shopping for us. Oh, what did I tell it to do? Look for a good deal on headphones. There we go.
We're watching one of these agents, but you can run them concurrently.
Yes.
There's two running on the top.
Yeah. Change the live agents view to be a table with one of the cells containing the preview. Iframe still. Stop that one. And you said you wanted to get the task as well, right? I'm trying out that now.
Yeah, trying to get it to have in real time show you all the tasks that it's working on. There's another preview. Well, I guess I don't know if this is supposed to be live or not, but if you are on the dashboard and you click the play button, whether it's actively doing it or not, you should see all the steps that it's taking.
Nice.
This could be okay. And it goes to the preview. Oh, I see. It looks like we're kind of going to the same place, right? If we look at live agents,
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking as well. It's like we might as well just combine both views now
yeah,
in this case.
and maybe the symbol, whenever it's done, it would be like a replay. We're not saving the view though. Like we're not saving what it did. You can't actually play the replay.
Should I ask Lovable to try and combine both the live agents view and the dashboard view? Let's see what happens. Because I think we're doubling up on a lot.
Yep. Oh, nice. Showing all the steps now. That's good. But they're not using.
This agent got stuck, I think. I'm just going to stop that. It's kind of tricky though. Like, you can actually interact with the agents like Chrome browser. I didn't realize that, but that's cool. Okay. Oh, sick! It does bring in the steps now. You're right. What the fuck? That's awesome.
It remembered.
Yeah, it did. That's cool.
Hmm. Hmm.
40 people watching the live stream. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Let us know if there's anything we can answer in chat. I should probably remove the put it in a better positioning. What does this do? Whoa. Okay. All right, sorry, chap. No, I've just been playing around with this stuff. This is good fun, though. I don't know how I can move. There we go. Just want to move me and you out of the way so chat can see this a little better. I'm just going to hide that for now. Okay. Sorry, guys. Let me know if this looks okay for you now. Do a quick little refactor here. Mm-hmm. This one's still running. What? Cool. Okay, so if I click a row, I want to expand it and show hidden text. However, when clicking it again, it should minimize. This is cool. The steps are being pulled in now as well.
Going to start pulling in. I'm not getting anything to the blank page from my agents.
Cool. Nice. Chapman is really clutch sometimes, dude. I don't know if you've used it much.
What's that?
The
chat?
Chapman.
Yeah, I really like it. It's gotten a lot better.
Yeah, it has got better. Oh, it's done. Okay. It kind of works. but steps are still steps should not break this and instead minimize / expand as well with break. Then we should be good to go, I think.
Oh, nice. It's bringing in the links now. I asked it earlier to include hyperlinks
Nice.
if they're relevant.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make the UX of this table a little bit easier because right now it's like pretty broken.
Yeah.
It's crazy though because this was such an MVP, such like proof of concept. Now, like building it into an actual app is the fun and painful part at the same time.
Yep.
Okay, that's good. So now you can click that and that expands. Click that and that expands. Cool. Okay, all of these countdowns are still going, which is hilarious. Chat mode is free. Yes, it's really powerful actually because you don't pay until you click implement plan, which is really cool because you can essentially chat your way around the errors until you think that it's got a good idea of what it's going to solve, and then you can just click implement plan and it will fix it. And it's amazing since considering when we first built our first app, how far this has come because a lot of this was manual fixing previously.
Yeah, there was no chat option. For sure. Like just a few months ago, even.
There was no Superbase option,
Yeah, no
really.
Superbase integration. We would do all the back end. It would give us some SQL scripts though, which was nice. But
Yeah.
some understanding, but that was it.
Okay, this works. So now if I create an agent, is that going to put the live preview? I wonder. Search for the best was...
The next thing to ask it to search for a battery replacement for my Oculus 2.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
One of them is old.
What I'll do is, how will I do that? That's my next question. I'm going to stop that agent. Okay, and I'm going to say go to ebay.com and look for a Oculus Quest 2 battery replacement. Important that the battery is still boxed, maybe, because I can identify it.
Yeah.
Let's see if that works. Yes, it did. Nice. For any agent running, we should be proactively refreshing on the front end, fetching new steps every 1 to 2 seconds. I guess we could just click the refresh actions button automatically. It is crazy that it's doing this. I can't believe it. Okay, if I refresh this, then it should give us the steps. Yeah. Nice. Swing state agents that are running should have their cells expanded by default. Minimizing should hide the live agent preview as well. Oh, I drank way too much coffee this morning. Now my stomach's doing backflips.
Oh no.
So I'm confused here. Why does it get stuck? Or is this just because I haven't refreshed it? Oh, it did finish. Nice. So that proactiveness isn't working, but it does have some links for you that are still boxed on eBay. Okay, so what would be cool here is if it like creates like a shopping cart. No, what do we need to do actually? Just save your details.
Yeah.
Like what?
So we need to be logged in to the website that it's searching
Yeah.
on, and then add the checkout functionality.
Can you do guest checkouts on eBay? Okay, so they can do it as a guest user, and they'll get an email for confirmation as well. I need to ask chat mode here. How do we securely store like credit card details? Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Yeah, it's thinking more as like giving people a subscription and letting them pay
Yeah.
for it. Maybe ask again and say specifically, we want the ability to like store their cards so we can check out when purchasing something.
Yeah, how do you securely share card details with an AI agent? It's kind of like it's an interesting part.
Mm-hmm. Well, we could save it in Supabase.
Yeah, the only problem is the only thing for me would be like, oh, can you store it with Stripe? Or not? Let's have a look. Front end integration with AI agent system, security considerations. Oh, cool. You can store it with Stripe apparently.
Huh.
Let's have a look. The old Stripe API. How do we add that card? Set up attempts, refunds, payment methods, cards.
Create a card, update, retrieve.
The card object has all of the address details we need.
Yeah.
But it will only give us the last 4 digits. So this is basically like storing a card on their account and then charging the customer later with it as well. So if we were to use Stripe, we would have to pay for it using our card and then charge the customer via Stripe afterwards. But that opens a lot for like chargebacks and stuff, which isn't great.
Yeah. Costly. And it looks like it can reference the card just by the last 4 digits. That's the only thing we'd have to store in our database.
Yep. Don't do it. Do you see my screen?
Retrieve it. Don't do it. Too much risk. Yeah, but it does put it on Supabase or on Stripe if we store it there.
Anybody in chat knows? Please let us know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I'm well aware of PCI compliance, so I don't need an earful about storing CC numbers. That's funny. Storing credit cards. Okay, quick little look around the internet. Seems that it's very dangerous to do so. And the best way to do it automated would be we store their card on Stripe, we create a customer for them on Stripe, we calculate the cost of the item, we add the Stripe processing fee on top, we add any fee that we want to add on top, then we take the total payment. If we add no fee on top because we're charging them a subscription to use the service, then it makes more sense to calculate the cost and then create a Stripe object for it. But yeah, it seems pretty rogue at the moment, unless we literally just do like unprotected CC cards in a database. But I think that's just like we're going to get sued if we do.
Just got
Maybe one to think about.
maybe Dwala or something will have an option instead.
If you have something that's awesome.
It's much cheaper than Stripe.
Hey. Cool. I'm going to end the stream here because I have to head off for a meeting. But thanks to everybody that was watching with us today. We've got 50 of you in here in total, which is absolutely insane. I'll be trying to do these a little bit more regularly. So if you want, just follow myself on Twitter, Harry Roper, or on YouTube. I'll be live streaming to both platforms throughout the week, doing some more building apps in Lovable. And thanks to Thomas for joining me as well.
Yeah, it was fun.
All right. Bye.
See y'all later.